With the cost of fertilizer going up, I'm going to show you a few tips on how to make your own fertilizer at home. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. In the comments box right now, I want you to tell me how much you think on average a 5-pound bag of fertilizer costs. With the price of fertilizer going up, it's around $35 on average. And I noticed the more that I have been composting, leaves aren't a burden to me because I no longer take my leaves to the landfill to get recycled. I always save my leaves and use them to make my fertilizer. They do break down over time, so let me show you what the results will look like if you have leaves and you start to compost them. Well, here are the leaves, the results from the leaves that broke down. They were placed in during the winter. I can't get this out right now, this compost, because it's frozen, but these leaves have broken down over the winter and became compost. And the thing I do, I don't take my leaves to the compost bin anymore. I just rake them into a pile if I don't have enough room to put them into my compost bins, and then I will use this in my gardens, and then I will add recycle and put the leaves back into this compost bin so it'll start over. So when it comes to composting, don't be getting your compost from the landfills that have the compost, because you don't know what's in that compost. Some people use chemicals in their yard, so you got to be careful. So it's best to make your own fertilizer by using a little bit of your exercise that you're getting, and you're going to reap the benefits. So don't be spending 30 plus bucks on a 5-pound bag of fertilizer when you can make your own. Here are a few other videos to check out about composting. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like. I just want to take time out to say thank you for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.